Hello and welcome to the exciting world of AI and drones. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you in our DLS educational series. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the incredible synergy between artificial intelligence and drones. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to explore the boundless possibilities that AI brings to the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Artificial intelligence can be used to complement the capabilities of drones in numerous different ways. For instance, AI can be used to improve the accuracy of drone navigation, enabling them to fly more precisely and avoid obstacles. Artificial intelligence and drones are a perfect match made in tech heaven. Pairing the real-time machine learning technology of AI with the explanatory abilities of unmanned drones gives ground-level operators a human-like eye in the sky. More than ever before, drones play key problem-solving roles in a variety of sectors: defense, agriculture, natural disaster relief, media, security, and construction. With their ability to increase efficiency and improve safety, drones have become a vital tool for everyone from firefighters to videographers to photographers and even to farmers. Thanks largely to artificial intelligence, drones are a rapidly expanding industry. With AI, drones collect key data, adapt to what they are seeing in real time, and transmit that data to decision makers on the ground. It can also be programmed to make those decisions themselves. Drones are an inexpensive and highly efficient way for businesses and organizations to increase productivity, reduce costs, and create a safer environment for their employees. As we conclude this first part of our series, I hope you're as inspired as I am about the future of AI-powered drones. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll unravel even more fascinating aspects of this remarkable technology. Remember, the sky's not the limit anymore, it's just the beginning.